Hey guys, so we're going to be vlogging today. It's been a long time I've done any vlogging, like studio vlog and stuff. So I thought I'll turn the camera on today and we can get vlogging. Okay, so I've just come back from my morning run, even though it's currently 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I've brought out some of the things we're shipping today, some things I need to go iron, and then I've got 2 items that I need to sort out the sizes for. So what I'm going to quickly do now, I would start to put what they've ordered. Let's see, I've got a few things from last week which hasn't shipped yet, so I'll still try and get some of them shipped today. I'm hoping my voice is loud enough. I didn't connect my mic today because I can't seem to see where the mic is. Anyways, let's get into it. There's this dress. I've been trying to do the shipping label for this dress since last week. It's not working. So I need to ring Royal Mail to see what the problem is. This one's they've ordered 2 neck scarf. We only have one of the neck scarves in. Again, I need to ring them to see. This one we currently don't have it. This one we do have it. I just need to iron this one, so I'll leave it here. Okay, so this dress, I'm adjusting it now, so I'll leave that on there. Top, we currently don't have that one. They've ordered Lucia in a 12. I brought that one out already. There she is. Ava in a 6. I brought her out. So all the ones that are ready to go, I would make sure they actually go today, only because my tomorrow is quite packed. Okay, so the size small. My hands are so dry. Oh, here. That's better. Okay, so they've ordered 2 items, which is this one and 1 dress, which is this one. Then this one, they've ordered 1 shorts, which is this one. And this person ordered 2 items. So this one is for that one. I need to go iron it. Top, we currently don't have that one. Alicia. Okay, so this one, and the second item, I need to go iron it, so I'll put this one here for now. So this person ordered 2 items, so I'm going to wait until the 2 items are complete before I send it off. Okay, so all 3 items there, we don't have them. And then this is the shipping labels. I'm just going to put this one on the side and put this one on the side as well. This one's will be ready today, and they're going to be shipping labels. I will put them all together. Okay, right, let's get into work now. I'm thinking if I should go do the ones that needs ironing and then do the one that needs adjustment, so I know all the things that are shipping are here and ready to go. Oh, and I need to do the shipping labels as well. I've got between now and 4 p.m. To get all of this done and go drop them off at the post office. So yeah, let's get into it. What happened was I went to do the ironing and I forgot to vlog. And then when I came back here and I started packing the orders, because I was listening to the second episode of my podcast, because it's going live in 2 days time, I forgot to turn the camera on. So I've literally just packed quite a lot of things, and then I remembered, hang on a second, I'm sure I was vlogging. I feel like because I've not vlogged in such a long time, I've forgotten how this works. Anyways, we'll catch what we can, isn't it? Yeah, I've got 2 more to go. I think I'm on time. Initially I thought I wasn't going to be on time for sending all these things out today, because I had like some I needed to amend, as you saw me doing earlier. I also had to go iron it, but I didn't record the ironing session, and I've just passed like so many orders without even recording it, like I said before. So I thought I was like behind time, but it looks like we're still on. Actually, before I speak, let me just check the time. Oh, actually, it was still on time. It is 3:45. What I'm going to do now is I will start packing all the ones I did before. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is in the UK, and they've ordered a girl's dress. What's the name again? So this is for Irina. And it's off to its new home. So this was next day delivery we've ordered. Okay, this is also off to, I printed it. So yes, I have. This is also in the UK and is off to London. Okay, this is also in the UK. There's actually quite a lot of UK orders today. And is also in next day delivery. Right, this is also in the UK. And it's off to Sheffield. And the order is size small. This order only just came in and I was quick enough to add it to the ones that are going today. It's off to the US. What's the name actually? So this is off to the US. And the order the UK 20. This is in the UK. We've ordered Jaden in a size large. Okay, this is also in the UK. Is off to M.A.Dkollection. This packaging bags I'm using, I did some customized packaging bags. They arrived like last week, but I haven't gone to pick them up yet. And I didn't want someone to pick it up for me because I'm in and out of Manchester quite a bit. So when they're picking up for you, you have to pay like extra for it to be sent to you. And obviously if I'm going to be there, I might as well just pick it up anyway. So I was hoping that I would have had them today because I actually wanted to go into Manchester today. So I was hoping I would have had them today so that I can I'm sorry, what? Oh. Right, so where's this one going to? This is going to Bradford. I finished all my whitey bags. Oh, it's into two. Right, okay. Oh, I can't really put it back now, can I? Right, I'll just put this away. And then let's do this one. This is going to Australia. They haven't had any EU orders today, which is weird because there's always something from the EU. So I did say in the video about moving to a fulfillment center, I did say that we so I've just got one more left. I need to go sort it out. Oh, actually I think I've got two more. I need to do the shipping label for this one only because it's been sat here for such a long time now. So I need to do shipping label for it. And then we've actually done quite a lot today. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. I think I'll just speed this side up, and then okay guys, so I have managed to pack all the things that are going out today, and I'm just going to be going to the post office now. It's currently 25 to 5. Yes, to 25 to 5. So I'll be off to the post office now with my 2 humongous bags, and this one will go out tomorrow. I need to sort something out on it, and then there's a set also that's going out tomorrow. This one we're waiting 1 item, this one we're also waiting 1 item, and then okay, so this one is for this one. I'll just get the rest sorted tomorrow at some point. And yeah, I'm going to be coming back here tonight to do a few sewing. There's an adjustment I need to make for a customer I'm doing a custom outfit for this weekend, so I need to come and finish sorting out all of the items today so that I know that that's done. I need to put away all these sweatshirts and hoodies we've got on the side there. I need to put them away. I've also got a pop-up potentially this Saturday as well, so I'm going for the She Leads for Legacy event, Black History Month event. So I would most likely have like a pop-up stand. I'm just waiting for all the logistics to be sorted out. So yeah, I'll see how it goes. I'll see how it goes. I'll try and do a bit more vlogging, only because I've noticed I tend to do like event vlogs, but not really like day in my life, trying to get orders. Like, see how half of the day went by today and I forgot to record it. But yeah, I'll try to be a bit more conscious and then just record it, only because after the 4th of December, I won't really be like packing orders and all of those things, and because I'm going away for a bit. So all the items here that you can see here, they'll all be moving to a fulfillment center, and I feel like all this space I can use it for a lot. So like studio space, podcast space, I have like quite a lot of ideas I want to use the space for, so I'll see how it goes, and I'm quite excited for it. Yeah, so I'll take you along while I'm trying to like move all the things from here out of here. I'll also try and go on live quite frequently while I'm trying to sort out all of these things as well. I'm not sure I'm going to do it, but I'm sure I'm going to figure it out at some point. So yeah, there's actually quite a lot, but yeah, I'm just being hopeful, really. Okay guys, so thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.